Welcome dear student in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with anti-neoplastic agent. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Now let's start with neoplasm. What is neoplasm? The term neoplasm refers to an abnormal growth of tissues caused by rapid division of cells that have been undergoes some form of mutation. Here it is the picture which shows rapid division of the cell and it causes abnormal growth of the tissue and which leads to neoplasm. Now Greek word neo means new and plasm means formation. Neoplasm means new cell formation. Now let's start with tumor. Tumor is a swelling of the part of the body, generally without inflammation and caused by an abnormal growth of the tissue, whether it is benign or malignant. Now this is the picture which shows healthy cell division and cancerous cell division. This is the cell. If it grows or develops in well-defined cell and normal growth when occur, then it gives uniform cell growth and it is healthy one. And if it rapidly grows, rapidly division takes place and it is uncontrollable, then it grows in abnormal way and it forms damaged cell and that is the cancerous cell. Now there are 7 warning signs of the cancer abbreviated as the caution according to National Cancer Institute, where C stands for change in bowel and bladder habits, A stands for a sore that will not heal, U stands for unusual bleeding or discharge, then T stands for thickening and lumps in the breast and elsewhere. I stands for indigestion and difficulty in swallowing. O stands for obvious change in breath and mole. And N stands for nagging, cough or hoarseness. Now, the numerous different forms of cancer possesses certain common features that are: it is a disease which is characterized by excessive cell proliferation. It generally results in tumor. The tumor cell rather lose the appearance and function of the tissue cell from which they are arises. The tumor not only expand in size but also invade the surrounding cell, and when nerve endings are affected, pain is experienced. The cancer cells are detached themselves from the parent tumor and move to another location, and then new cancerous growth is established. This is called as metastasis. A cell that arises from mesoderm cell is called sarcoma, and if it is arise from endoderm cell which is from intestinal system and associated organ, and ectoderm cell which from the skin and appendages and nerve tissues is called carcinoma. And if the cancerous or tumor develop from all the 3 embryonic layer is called teratoma. Now let's start with what is the actual difference between cancerous cell and bacterial cell. Cancer is more difficult to cure than bacterial infection because bacterial cells have distinct cell wall and their ribosomes are different from those of human cell. However, the difference between normal and neoplastic human cell are merely quantitative. And second point, immune mechanism and other host defense play an important role in killing bacteria and foreign cells, but they play negligible role in killing cancerous cell. So now let's start with what is anti-neoplastic agent. The drug or the agent which are used in the treatment of neoplasm are called anti-neoplasmic drugs or anti-neoplastic drugs. Now let's start with classification of anti-neoplastic drugs. The most preferable classification is on the basis of mode of action. First is biological alkylating agent, for example chlorambucil, busulfan and cyclophosphamide. Then anti-metabolites, for example azathioprine, fluorouracil, methotrexate and mercaptopurine. Third point, anti-tumor antibiotics, for example actinomycin, daunorubicin and mitomycin. And last class is miscellaneous agent, for example cisplatin. In addition to previous, the other group also possesses the activity and it is used to treat cancer. These are plant product, for example vinca alkaloid, that means vinblastine and vincristine, and second plant product is Taxol. Second is steroidal hormone, and these are mainly used to treat hormone dependent tumor, means those tumors associated with hormone, only for that steroidal hormones are used. Then third is enzyme, for example L-asparginase. Now in this session we already discussed that the introduction and classification of anti-neoplastic agent. In this session we will continue with the detailed monograph of all the drugs. Thank you dear student. Thank you.